Hey, hi YouTube, how are you? I hope you all guys are doing great. In this video, we are going to see log points. It's kind of synonymous to print statement that lots of developer use to debug the code. But before moving to it, we have covered lots of things. If you want to find it, you can just go and access my playlist, which is about debugging sessions. So, and also you can find this code in the repo. I will put this repo link in the description box. So today we are going to see this log point. The code is very similar to the previous video, which was about conditional breakpoints. So we have covered this much, and we have also added two challenges. I will keep adding more challenges because the more you will practice, the better you will become. So this is the program is very similar to the previous one, which is the numbers. We have the numbers, which is a list, and we have to find the square of each number. So we are passing this list, and we are iterating over the list, and every time we are just finding the square, and we are printing it. But let's suppose you want to see what actually is happening it as each step. Okay, so let's suppose you want to see what is happening in the result variable. So what we do, we add a print statement here. So instead of printing adding a print statement, just add just do a right click and add this log point. So in log point you can add any message. So let's suppose I want to add like um, number is what is number is number and the square. So square is what is square? Res. Okay, just add. So this is how a log or you can say a log message looks like. Okay, so a log point looks like. Okay, so it's kind of brick-like structure. Okay, diagonal structure, and this is how normal breakpoint looks like. And previously we have also seen conditional breakpoints. So conditional breakpoints look like this. So maybe I can just add a condition here, square list, just a square list, nothing else. So this is the difference. So this is normal breakpoint that we have covered, this is conditional breakpoints that we have covered, and this is a log point. So currently we are just going to look at the log points. So if I just run this program, it's very simple. uh, if you see in the debug console, what you will get, I think we have uh, let me just check it once. So we have a log point here, number is this and square is this. I guess we are good with it. So it's a log message. So if I will just debug it, so in debug console we should see it. See, in the debug console we are able to see it. So this is the print statement that we generally use, but print statement makes the code very messy, and it introduces lots of things like the code doesn't looks good, and I don't think so that's the better way. So you can just use this log message if you are more tightly coupled with print statements. Okay, so here you can see number is 1, square is 1, number is 2, square is 4. So this was the log message, the print statement that we added. So number and it's square, and that you can find in the debug console. So it's very simple. Whenever you want to add log messages, wherever you want to inspect what the variable is, you can use log points. That's it. It's a very simple thing, but it's part of debugging lecture, so it can be helpful in lots of cases. So that's it. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.